What makes us different? The reinforced tank inner wall. All our ultrasonic cleaning machines are made with reinforced cleaning tank inner wall to withstand the ultrasonic waves for a longer period of time, thus lengthening the service life. Our products are sure to last at least 2 to 3 years, while competitors' products would normally start breaking down after a year of use. Strong cleaning power, 6 industrial-grade ultrasonic transducers, 6x60W equals 360W, easily and thoroughly cleans your valuables and small items. Designed with latest technologies, this professional ultrasonic cleaner is expert in cleaning, maintenance, and more, which makes the digital cleaning machine accommodate users' different needs. Extra thick tank, extra thick 0.06 inches. 1.5 mm, stainless steel tank with 3.97 gal. 15L, volume, durable and sturdy to last for years to come. The integrated cleaning basket is perfect for keeping your jewelry, glasses, PC boards, razors, watches in place. Convenient settings, 68 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit cleaning temperature recommended for improved cleaning performance. The user-friendly preset cleaning time options, 1 to 30 minutes, provide you with convenience. Backup fuse, dual fuse protection to prevent burnout. Turning on off the cleaner frequently is not recommended. In the event of fuse damage, please change one to get the machine back to work. 1-year warranty, backed by 1-year limited warranty, free exchange if the item is defective. Please bear in mind that lower frequencies lead to better cleaning result, but it comes with louder noises, better used for objects with flat surfaces. Higher frequencies come with lower noises and weaker cavitation effects, great for cleaning smaller objects with small holes, grooves, etc. It is recommended to use cleaning machines with higher frequencies, at least over 40 kHz.